In this video, we will show you how to count unique items in a pivot table in Excel. Counting unique items allows you to gain valuable insights from your data by identifying distinct values. This is the sample Excel with 4 regions and 6 projects in total. Generally, everyone will try to create pivot table to get the unique values. Let us try creating a pivot table now. Select the data range, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Choose the location for your pivot table and click OK. Next, add the field region that counts the items you want to count for and add the project field to the values area of the pivot table. By default, Excel will display the count of each item. You can see here the value as 10. If you click on Value Field Settings, there is no option to select the unique values. So, there is a small trick to resolve this issue. Let's go back to the data range and retry creating the pivot table. Select the range, create pivot table. In this create pivot table dialog box, tick this check mark to add this data to the data model. Click on OK button to create. Repeat again the same steps, add region to rows and project to values. You see the value as 10 again. Now go to the project values and click on Value Field Settings. In the first tab, summarize values by tab in the calculations type. If you scroll down, you will see the distinct count now, which is not visible earlier. Click on this and click on OK button to close the dialog box. Immediately, you will see that the value is showing as 6, which is the correct result. Got it? Counting unique items is a powerful technique that enhances your data analysis skills. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.